Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Python 3.13.5 on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. Go to Python official website, that is python.wars. See, this is the Python official website. Click on downloads. See here, download Python 3.13. It is the latest version. Click on it to download. See, download started. See here, download is completed. Just click on Python 3.13 exe file. Now, see here we have installed our custom installation. Use administration privileges. Also add Python exe to path. Then click on custom installation. See here we have the optional features like documentation, pip, tcl, tk, and ideal, Python test suite, and file launcher. These are optional. If you want to select any one of them, you can select. I want to install all, so click on next. And see here the advanced options like install Python 3.13 for all users, and these are other options like debugging symbols, debug binaries, download free threaded binaries. Okay, these are optional. If you want to select, you can select any one of them. Then select the installation location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path. Then click on, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Click on close. Now go to applications. Go to the folder Python. See here we have Python idle, manuals, modules, Python shell. Click on it. See, you got the version Python 3.13. This is the shell. Open idle also. Click on idle. See, you got the version 3.15. Okay. Now we can run the commands here. Even if you open cmd, that is command prompt. If you run Python, see, you got the Python shell. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Python 3.13.5 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.